I recently purchased this excavator you see sitting behind me for $50,000. I've been practicing with it and using it on my own farm, mostly digging dirt and pushing it around with the blade. Today, I got my first real job. I'm going to be trying to make some of the money I spent on the excavator back by using it. Completing this job is going to push me out of my comfort zone, expanding my level of skills. Not only using the bucket to scoop dirt, but using the thumb to grab trees and the blade to close the holes in. Can we do it? Let's see. First thing we have to do is load Mr. Crab onto our trusty trailer. Woo. Up goes our dovetail and we're ready for transport. The new fence is going to go right here where these trees behind me are, which right now isn't going to work out very well. We have to take out these trees so a new strong fence can be put up so cows can fill these rolling hills. Okay, now blade all the way down to brace myself. Woo, that's too far. My blade's all the way down to brace myself. Now I have to figure out how to actually take down a tree. I've never done this before. I got it! My first big pile! First pile of trees, complete. The time has finally come. The end of the line, the biggest tree. Now, this is where the buck hits the table. The line gets drawn in the sand. Can we finish this job? Can Mr. Crab do it? Come on, Mr. Crab. I believe in you. He looks so small compared to the tree. The first swipe. Grant has to be so careful that the branches don't crash into Mr.